Good morning, students. This class we will discuss about metal forming. First, we discuss what is metal forming and what are the methods are available. Here, metals are formed to the required shape by hot working or cold working methods. The particular methods is known as metal forming or mechanical working. So, in this metal forming, the metal undergoes plastic deformation by means of external force. That external force help to the metal to reach that beyond that yield strength, but less than that fracture strength. Finally, we get that required shape and dimension. So this metal forming is differ from that machining. So in this metal forming process, the metal is not removed from that base or bulk metal. This is that unique of that some other manufacturing process. Like if machining process, so if you want to record shape and dimension as per a requirement, have to remove unwanted material to remove from that base metal. So here just we have to shape and size of the component, but the material is not removed from that base metal. Already you said that there are two types of methods available in that metal forming. So first we discuss hot working. In the hot working process, metal is heated above the recrystallization temperature. So recrystallization temperature is a temperature can occur given material and processing conditions. So what process we did have to change that material shape and size. That particular temperature is called recrystallization temperature. But here in hot working process, mostly we used above its recrystallization temperature. Here, atomic mobility can be repaired. Suppose if any voids, defects available inside that raw material, when you have to conduct that hot working process, that defects changed. So any defect was present in the metal can be repaired during that hot working process. Metal is heated to the plastic state and the pressure is applied to get various shapes and sizes. When the pressure is applied, the metal grain size will be varied and the metal's mechanical properties are improved. This is that one big advantages in that hot working process. If you want to improve that mechanical properties, you have to involve in that hot working. Definitely mechanical properties is improved and also to get that record shape and size. Pressure is applied by hand hammer is called a hand or smith. So hand hammering is replaced by power hammer. If you want to more power, is called as a hammer or power forging. Mostly, so power hammer is used for that cold working. What are the advantages of that hot working process? Metal size and shape can be easily changed. Uh, so suitable for that mass production because we heated the metal above the recrystallization temperature, so have to easily to change that metal shape and size. So it's suitable for that mass productions. Stresses and other defects can be minimized to get that homogeneous structure. So already we said voids defects available there due to that hot working process have to remove can be repaired. Mechanical, physical, and chemical properties can be improved after that conduct the process. Definitely, we see that properties are seen. What are the disadvantages of hot working? Leads to poor surface finish. Have to in this reason we involved high temperature of the particular metal. Definitely, compared to the cold working process, we not we not get that good surface finish of that material. Then that loss of carbon due to accelerations from the surface of the steel being worked, the surface layer losses. So the raw material surface layer in the raw material to maybe to react with that uh, high input temperature. So definitely you have to lose that layer. This is one of the drawback. So when that when the part or component is used any one of that place within the service conditions, that time we have to face some issue regarding that strength of that metal. So difficult to attain dimensional accuracy. Of course, we use that high temperature. Definitely, the metal gets sinkage. So uneven sinkage of that metal. This is that disadvantages of hot working. For next, we discuss cold working. How the cold working process is differ from that hot working process. Cold working is one of that metalworking process is carried out below the recrystallization temperature. So in a hot working process above the recrystallization, here that below the recrystallization temperature, a process needs a comparatively higher pressure because we given that more temperature, so very limited pressure is sufficient to conduct the process. But here below the recrystallization temperature, so that higher pressure is needed compared to that hot. So cold working process mostly suitable for a soft, ductile and malleable metal, so can be easily worked like used in rolling, bending and spinning process conductor with the support of cold working process. So what are the advantages of dimensional accuracy can be maintained? So the temperature is below the recreation temperature, so we expect we get that dimensional accuracy compared to that hot working, and also that surface finish can be achieved. There is no accidents during the work. Disadvantages require a heat treatment process. So if you want to improve that mechanical properties of material, uh, not get in that cold working compared to the hot working. So definitely we go that heat treatment process like annealing, hardening, some type of processes available. We go for once you have to conduct that cold working, then you have to move it. So this is one of the drawback. Then greater force is essential. Greater force is essential deformation. So powerful machines are required. So this is one of the disadvantages of cold working process. Thank you.